Good morning, guys. I'm back up here on the lot where we burnt brush the other day, and today I brought a little IHI Mini Excavator that I rented from Valley Rental in Lenore, and I've got to install this piece of pipe right here in the ditch. You can also see right here that still got some smoke going, so I'm going to try to get that brush fire going again. The tractor is awful frosty this morning. It's starting to thaw out though, it looks like. But anyhow, that new piece of pipe's going in this ditch line right through here. Spoke to the guy that has been farming this field, and he says that there's a spring that empties out down through here, and I need to go back down toward the creek and clean out this ditch line all the way back up to the road up here. So that's what I'm going to be working on today. Okay, as you see here, the brush pile looks like it burned up pretty good. Looks like we still got some hot ashes under there. Probably some good coals. I'm going to dig through it with the mini excavator. See all the dirt right there that come off that stuff? Pull that back and get to the coals and see if I can put this brush in there and burn the rest of it up while I'm here today. Okay, if you see up through here, there is a spring up near the road up there that this ditch carries out of here to keep this field dry. So I'm going to be cleaning out this today. That's the plan. That's why I've got the Traco. I'd like to have one with a little bit bigger bucket on it. It took a little less time, but this is the only one they had that I could rent today. It's sort of a short notice on finding out I was going to clean this ditch out. So, alright, just sit back and enjoy. Okay, I'm going to explain to you guys what I'm doing here at this ditch. So you see right here we got a lot of vegetation that's in this ditch. So basically all I'm doing is I'm going through pulling all the vegetation out, and then I'm just squaring up the ditch, taking out very little dirt. You see there's not much dirt to stick out. But I'm pulling all the way up through here, taking this vegetation out through here. We're gonna square this ditch up, and then up there, probably right in front of the tractor, there'll be an 18-inch culvert pipe go in.